Hey everyone, good morning. I hope you're enjoying your week so far. And I'm just getting plenty of rest at home still, but I wanted to share this video with you of an amazing park that I found while staying in Tokyo in this Shinjuku neighborhood. I knew this park existed, but I also knew it cost some money, which kind of put me off for a bit about visiting. But then once I actually went, it was amazing and definitely worth the time and the $5 to get in. Hey guys, welcome to Shinjuku, one of the busiest districts in Tokyo here. This is where I always stay whenever I come to Tokyo, and I really enjoy it because there's so much to do here. So now I'm just looking to relax a bit from this super shopping area slash nightlife district. And I'm heading over to one of the largest parks in the city, which is not too far away. So just a really quick note about this park, they do actually make you pay to come in. It's about $5 to enter, but I think that's actually a pretty good idea because, you know, that helps make this amazing park possible and the upkeep, I guess. And it's really, really nice. So let me show you around. This massive 150-acre city park was first established as a garden during the Edo period in 1772. The Shinjuku Gyoen contains a large greenhouse as well as 3 distinct garden styles: the traditional Japanese, French formal, and English landscape. With more than 20,000 trees, you can easily escape the city and get lost in the forest. It's especially beautiful in the spring when the cherry blossoms are blooming. I have to say, I'm really liking this park. You know, I was here actually last year and I chose not to come to the park because I didn't want to pay the $5 to come in. But now that I'm seeing it, it is just so lovely and so beautiful, and there's lakes and there's kind of wood areas, there's different kinds of gardens, English gardens, Japanese gardens. It's just really amazing, and it's, you know, it's so close to the main area out there. And yet you feel like you're just in the woods. Like you don't even feel like you're near all that, you know, shopping and eating out and all that craziness going on over in the other area of Shinjuku. So this has probably just become one of my favorite spots in all of Tokyo, actually. One of the other comparisons I keep getting while I've been here in Tokyo is that it's like New York City, but I can honestly tell you after being in both, it's nothing like New York City. It's quite a bit bigger actually and seems more lively. Well, this park just never seems to end. There are so many large lawns with lots of people laying out, having picnics, talking, just kind of relaxing. There's people doing artwork here, like have their easels and their canvases and their painting. I mean, it's just such an incredible place. I couldn't imagine coming back to Shinjuku in Tokyo and not visiting this park again, just to relax and get away from it all. So this is one of my new best recommendations. If you're here in Tokyo around the Shinjuku area, come to the park here and just have a day to rest. So, what do you guys think of that? I'm just kind of curious. Like, it is quite a large park. I'd compare it to probably like Central Park in New York City, something along those lines. But do you guys have a favorite city park that you enjoy visiting? I hope you guys continue to have a good week, and I'll see you out there whenever we can start traveling again.